So because gel printing requires you to actually move pretty fast most of the time, it's really handy to have your space set up exactly how you need it before we start. So I'll show you what I do. You might, tweak as you need depending on what you decide works well for you. But I showed you in the last video that I keep my gel plate on a plexiglass plate. So I'm going to put that one down front and center. And then I'll also need some scrap paper to clean my brayers with. So I like to keep that on the right side because when you roll with your brayer, you can just go over here to get off any extra paint. There's nothing special about this paper. It just tends to be scraps from, other projects, essentially is what I use. So I keep that there. I like to have wet wipes on hand. So those usually go on the left side. And I've got brayers, which end up everywhere, but that's totally okay. And the other thing is that you want to keep your paint within reach. So I have a giant bin of paint under my desk, but just put it on your desk, whatever works. Then you'll also want to have a stack of paper nearby. So I usually actually have mine kind of in a shelf above, but you can just, put it even underneath of your brayer sheets works, but you just want to keep those ones clean. So that's what I would say to get started. So let's get going.